Aloha, this is Doña, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorial. Today we talk about the Apoyando Thumb Strum. Last week we talked about some free stroke, and today we go further steps. So a closer look that you have more on focus my right hand. But it doesn't care if you're lefty, you do it vice versa. So we practice with easy peasy chords that we don't have to be focused on our left hand. We just play A minor and A major. A minor, second fret, fourth and third string, middle and ring finger, and the first fret, the index finger on the second string, and we stay with our middle finger on the second fret, jump with our index on the first, second string, and we have the E major chord. Okie dokie, so let's stay focused on our right hand. Last week we studied the free thumb stroke. We are familiar with our hand position. If you don't know about what I am talking so far, check out my last tutorial, link above, and come back later. So anyway, so we learned that we use our IMA to be fixed on the, or plant, you call it planting in guitar, on the first string, that we have like a L position, a little rabbit hole here that the rabbit can jump inside this hole or through this hole, and that the thumb feels safe and knows on which string it is. And this time we don't do a free stroke, like a little turning movement of our thumb. No, we do a rest stroke. So we rest on the next string when we are playing the uke. So the thumb is still knowing where it is. It's planting. Okie dokie, so we play first A minor. And then we move to A major. And go back to A minor. A major. A minor. E major. So please practice this. Not like me, losing my religion. No, not losing my religion, losing my practice, and not getting better, not any improvement. So let me know how you feel with this kind of planting style and more directions for thumb and fingers. Any comments are welcome, and if there are any questions, feel free to contact me or be my Patreon for getting PDFs and many more. Love you, see you soon, Doña.